Hello, I'm in a 2016 Toyota Corolla, and today I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance required light. That typically comes on just if the little calculator in the car says that your mileage is due for an oil change, typically. So nothing too crazy, but to reset it yourself, my model will appear here. But you're going to flip to the on position or all the way on. And then you want to make sure it says trip A here. And if it doesn't, you can toggle with this display button. Go through all the options till you see trip A. There we go. And then, so here's that maintenance required. And in my case, it just would be for due for an oil change. So then we're going to turn this back off. And then the same time you turn this back to the on position, we're going to hold this display button down. So see how best I can do this while holding a phone. Okay, so I'm holding it down. And then you'll see those little tick marks sticking down. And once it's done, it's reset. Easy enough, and I'll confirm. We'll turn the car off, turn back on, and now this maintenance required light's going to be gone. Hope that was helpful. Appreciate a like and subscribe if you're able. Otherwise, hope you have a wonderful day.